Hey there, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I'm going to review IG. In what way is it good, in what way I don't actually like it, and I'm going to also compare it to other brokers so you get an idea why is it good or why isn't it good. So first of all, IG is perfect platform for day trading. If you want to trade a lot, they got one of the top, let me show you, they got one of the top investing platforms that you can really good invest your money. Now, what I actually don't like about it is that you don't have the free stock and ETF, and you can actually buy the stock in multiple countries. That you can actually buy only CFD, and you can actually see here the real stocks and ETF. You can trade stocks if you're from UK, Ireland, Malta, Cyprus, and Australia. And in this way, I don't like it. In this way, eToro, Trading 212 are much better comparing to IG. But about the fees, let's start with the fees. You have inactivity if you're not gonna be here for, I don't know, 2 years, you get like $15, it's all right. Now, you can also invest money from PayPal, that's really good. And now the trading fees. Look, CFD fees are much better comparing to eToro. I can say that like, okay, SP 500, much better. A Europe 550, $1.6, also better compared to X2B. So CFD fees are better. Forex fees also better comparing to eToro. But X2B has much better Forex fees comparing to IG, but IG is better than eToro. And now the real stocks fees, as you can see, the eToro has nothing. And now that's pretty much it. So I definitely recommend like choosing and checking out the broker chooser on what you can do. They have also really good educational material that you can use. So that's really good. And customer service, they have phone support, live chat, and relevant answers, but poor phone support many times they're not going to even like reply to you. And safety is pretty fine. If you're from the UK, you get protection a month. Europe and UK and Switzerland 20,000. So this is pretty much it about IG. That's like the bottom line here. One of the biggest and most reliable CFD brokers. Yes, for CFD, for contracts, for shares, perfect. But for actual stocks, choose Trading 212 or even eToro. That's just my recommendation. Yes, stock CFDs fees are high, but Forex is alright. But also, they get also a demo account, so you can actually test it out by yourself that if you like it or if you don't. But yeah, stocks and ETF, eToro, and Trading 212 because you're gonna save money. CFD, IG is a good way. So thank you everybody. I hope you're going to have a great day. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and goodbye.